Good morning, everyone. My name is Christopher Powell, and I am the chairman of the Gloucester County Board of Elections. In today's unfortunate and trying times in dealing with the COVID-19 virus, we find ourselves in an unprecedented territory with respects to actual polling locations. The commissioners of the Board of Elections thought it would be useful to share with you what you may expect if, in fact, you do decide to go to your local polling place. So with today's video, what we were simply trying to do is show you what may look or how it may look with respects to your voting place. And while each voting place is different, just gives you a little bit of an example of what you may expect when you arrive. Arrival at a polling location will be for one of three reasons. The first being to drop off your vote by mail ballot. The second will be if, in fact, you want to vote at a polling location, you're able to do so, but only by provisional ballot only. And that provisional ballot is exactly what your vote by mail ballot looks like. The third reason that you would be at an actual physical polling location is if you do have a handicap. And in that regard, you will vote on a device that is for handicap accessible individuals. You will not be able to vote on an actual voting machine. They are the three reasons for which you may show up at a polling place. Upon arrival at the polling location, you should be greeted by someone who will direct you to either vote provisionally, if that's what you are at the polling location for. If you do drop off your vote by mail ballot, be reminded that you will need to sign your name and address into a book, and then you will proceed to the ballot drop box, at which point you will drop your ballot in the box and you may depart the polling location at that time. If you arrive to vote provisionally, you will be directed to the provisional ballot area. At that time, you will give your name and address. Your information will be validated. Upon validation, you will be issued a provisional ballot. You will then proceed to a table that will have privacy for you to vote your ballot. Upon finishing the voting of your ballot, you will place it in the envelope. You will sign the certificate that it is yourself voting the ballot. You will place it into the outer envelope, and then you will proceed to the provisional ballot drop box, at which point you will put the provisional ballot into the provisional ballot drop box, and then you will exit the polling location. So what we did today was just to give you a little idea with regards to the CDC guidelines and social distancing on what an actual voting location will look like. We hope you find this video useful, and we thank you for participating in our democratic process.